Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And in this installment we have this Idesion Terminal or Ferrule Crimper. It can do 23 American wire gauge all the way up to 7 American wire gauge. So that's quite a long range. It's got just nice self-ratcheting action, as you can hear here. All the crimping takes place at the top here. It's got an adjustable setting here. I'm not quite sure if you can see in the camera. Let me try and zoom in and turn this light on quickly for you. So just here you can see the adjustment. So you loosen the screw off and then you twist this round to get yourself more tension if you need it. It's also got a handy little feature where you can release halfway through by pressing that little tab up. It's also worth mentioning that this crimper comes with this good set of terminals. So let me just open it up. With a wide variety of sizes. As you can see here, it's got a list of all the different sizes. So if you want to stop and zoom in, look at all the different sizes we have. And inside the box, careful not to tip it everywhere. You can see we have a load of different sizes, all sorts of different applications. So now let's give you a demonstration of this thing crimping. So I've got a piece of wire here, and I've got an appropriately sized ferrule. We'll just slip that in there like that. Push it all the way through until it's nice and tight. You take your crimping tool. Try and get this on camera so you can see it. You push it in. And then all you have to do is give it a good squeeze. And there we are. That is now crimped. Nice and secure. Also works on the smaller gauge wires. So if you can see, that is quite small. Might be a bit blurry there. Again, simple, just slide it through there like that. And then you just line up with crimper. And there we have another good crimp. I'll give you a close up of these crimps in just a second. And here's just a quick close up of these crimps. As you can see, they're fairly solid and fairly well done. Yeah, fairly good crimps. They're not coming off unless you really tug them extremely hard. And again with the little one. Let me just get into a bit of focus for you, but fairly good. And here's just a quick close up of the tool. As you can see, there's its item number, serial number. Some more information on it. Got these nice comfort grip handles. You can see here. Here's the adjuster we were talking about earlier. We'll see a much better view of it than I did in the earlier clip. And here's this little release lever that I talked about as well. Overall, they're a good quality tool. And my final thoughts on this lovely crimper. It's great. I've used it a few times. I've mainly used it for when I'm rewiring plugs. I've put the ferrules on the end of the cables just to make sure everything's nice and firm and secure. Works really well for that. I've also got other uses like the little pins. You can repin certain things. Quite handy. But overall, handy little crimper. Not a tool you use all the time, but when you do use it, you'll really be thankful you've got one. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.